If you want to speed up your SEO research and find better content ideas in minutes, ChatGPT can help you do exactly that. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for SEO keyword research step by step so you can discover keyword ideas, find long-tail keywords, organize them by search intent, and turn them into blog topic ideas faster. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy AI tutorials. Let's get into it. The first step is to ask ChatGPT for keyword ideas. Open ChatGPT and type a simple prompt like, "Give SEO keywords for digital marketing." You can replace digital marketing with any topic, niche, or service you want to target. For example, you could ask for keywords related to fitness, home improvement, personal finance, or local services. ChatGPT will usually give you a list of broad keywords, related phrases, and possible subtopics. This is a great starting point because it helps you brainstorm faster and see how your topic can branch into multiple content angles. Once you have your keyword list, the next step is to find long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords are usually more specific phrases that people search for when they are closer to taking action or looking for detailed information. To do this, ask ChatGPT, "Give long-tail keywords with low competition." You can also make your prompt even more useful by adding your niche, your audience, or your goal. For example, you could ask for long-tail keywords with low competition for beginner digital marketers, or long-tail keywords for local SEO services. These longer phrases are often easier to rank for and can bring in more qualified traffic because they match a more specific search intent. After that, the third step is to group your keywords by search intent. This is one of the most valuable parts of the process because not every keyword has the same purpose. Some people are searching to learn, some are comparing options, and some are ready to buy or take action. Ask ChatGPT, categorize keywords into informational, transactional, and navigational. ChatGPT can sort your keyword list into helpful groups so you can plan the right type of content for each one. Informational keywords are perfect for educational blog posts and guides. Transactional keywords are better for service pages, product pages, or conversion-focused content. Navigational keywords usually relate to brand names or specific websites. When you group keywords this way, it becomes much easier to build a content strategy that matches what searchers actually want. Now for the fourth step, use those keywords to generate content ideas. Ask ChatGPT, create blog titles using these keywords. This is where your keyword research starts turning into actual content. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm blog titles, YouTube video ideas, FAQ sections, or even outlines based on the keywords you already found. You can also ask it to make the titles more clickable, more SEO-friendly, or tailored to beginners. This saves a ton of time when planning content and helps you avoid staring at a blank page. A really smart way to improve your results is to keep refining your prompts. If the first answer is too broad, ask ChatGPT to make the keywords more specific. If the keywords are too competitive, ask for lower competition variations. If you want to target a certain country, city, or audience, include that in your prompt too. The more context you give, the better the output usually becomes. ChatGPT works best when you guide it clearly and ask follow-up questions instead of expecting one perfect answer right away. You can also use ChatGPT to build full keyword clusters. For example, after getting your main keyword list, you can ask it to organize the keywords into topic clusters around one main pillar topic. That can help you build better website structure, plan internal linking, and create multiple pieces of content around the same subject. This is especially useful if you are trying to grow a blog, a niche site, or a business website. So the full process is simple. First, get keyword ideas. Second, find long-tail keywords. Third, group them by search intent. And fourth, turn them into content ideas you can actually publish. That is how you use ChatGPT for SEO keyword research in a practical way that saves time and helps you plan smarter. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more AI and SEO tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.